Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the history of Opera browser. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open Opera browser. Click on the menu option on the top left corner. Then, a drop-down menu will open. Click on Settings. A new tab will open. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing History. Then, a small window will pop up. Click on the time range. Then, a drop-down menu will open. Select the time range. Check in the options to select. Then, click on Clear Data. That's it, history is cleared. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.